This is the reception. Gives you a little map here. Should be automatic doors, hopefully. Probably not going to work. There you go. It's the bar area. Yeah. Little area to relax here. I'm sure they've got a restaurant. I've on my holiday on the Isle of Wight at Woodside Bay. I'm going to go out and do a little bit of filming. Don't know what I'm going to get up to. It's just going to be one of them days. Went out on the old buses yesterday. It was quite good. So I'm going to try and get that video up. This is the old lodge we've got at the moment. Comfortable, nice little settees there. This is the veranda, the decking area. So here we go, guys. Dedicated parking space, number 37. This is called the Nettlestone. Nice decor outside, nicely maintained. Shrubs area. I'll try and take you for a little walk around the park. So this is a nice little touch. So just as you come in, you've got like a boot area, coats, nice and safe, fire extinguisher, more hanging space. So this is called the Nettlestone. Central heating throughout, vertical radiator. So this is a nice little touch though. I'll just spin you back round. So when you come in, you've got your muddy boots. Take you back into the lounge area. We started the video. 2 sofas. So I think this is for 4 people, this accommodation. Some flowers. 30th wedding anniversary. Heating. Little electric fire down there. Out onto the balcony. Veranda. Been putting some seeds out for the birds. It's been nice. Loads of space. Massive. So I'll take you back here, get a full view of the balcony. We can get some blue tits, some robins. That's the view you get from the bedroom here. I'll take you around there in a minute. Just down here, just through these trees, you've got the beach. So that's like probably about a 3-minute walk. Back into sort of living area. Just going to lock this because I'm just checking out today, so bear with me. Right, so we've got a little dining area, 4 chairs here, coasters, placemats, salt and pepper. You've got your fridge. Emptied now. Does the job. Freezer. Got a wash machine and a dryer, so that's good. You've got a cooker, microwave, plenty of storage, cupboards, toaster, your cups, your canteen, your glasses, toast rack, your kettle. They did supply some milk, tea bags, coffee, and some cookies. That was nice of them. Knife block. So you get all the stuff you need. Don't know if it's in that bag. Don't think there is. You get your 5-ring cooking hob here. Nice and forks. You've got a wine cooler. Nice little touch. Plates. Got the in here, boiler, dustpan brush, ironing board, iron, that's nice. Going into this room, 2 single beds, get your towels, plenty of light, very light and spacious. Get your USB. These are good. Nice pictures. Full-size mirror. You get TV in every room. This is your hanging closet. It's your bathroom. This is a shower room. Not sure what the light is. Sorry about that. But shower. Toilet, your wash basin. Going into the other room, so you've got a 4-poster bed here. It's nice. Nice little touch. In the morning, wake up, got a nice view. Just sitting on the bed. Out onto the balcony. I'm going to shut this window now because, like I say, I'm checking out today. Side lights, USBs, hanging area. Storage. I take it it's not our hair dryer. I will check. Heating, nice and warm in here. Some side units. Nice wooden flooring throughout. Dressing area. Mirror, full-size mirror here. This is say the main bathroom, so it's got your bath, toilet, got a towel rail. This one's got a shower, overhead shower there as well. This opens up somehow. There you go. So that sort of folds up. Wash basin, shaving point, little seats there, look at that, bar. Oh, so that just sat up on the seat. Well guys, that's Woodside Bay, just outside Ryde, Isle of Wight. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, stayed there a week, good prices, booked it through Hoseasons. I'll try and put the information in the description. If you want to know anything, ask in the comments. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and follow. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for following. Welcome back guys, back home now. Just thought I'd jump back on there while I was editing. I just wanted to add a little bit into this video. Be an honest review. So overall park's great. Woodside Park is lovely. Thing what let it down really was the staff. I didn't find them over friendly. Didn't find them nice to talk to, to be honest with you. I think it was, if they did say hello, it just didn't feel like, you know, genuine. So I was just having some breakfast. Anyway, so what let it down in the lodge, and I'll put it in the snapshot, is just a bit of maintenance really. It wasn't something that really bothered me at the time. So anyway, I thought I'd let them know afterwards, before I was leaving. Didn't even get, how was your holiday, or, you know, have a good journey home. Anyway, I let them know about little maintenance things and that, and they just shrugged their shoulders really. They wrote it down, but didn't say, "Oh, sorry about that, sir," you know. So I chose the wrong time to have my breakfast, didn't I? Yeah, so just a bit of a letdown there. Booked it through Hoseasons, Woodside Bay on the Isle of Wight. So I just wanted to add this on there. Anyway, thanks guys for listening and watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a subscribe and like and share and all that business. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.